You only get 32 chances. Lose a finger, and doctors might be able to reattach it. Scratch your skin, and it heals. Break a bone, and your body quietly rebuilds it. But lose a tooth, and that's it. Your body basically shrugs and says, "Good luck with the dentist." The weird part? Some animals can grow thousands of new teeth during their lifetime. So what happened to us? It all starts with a surprising twist. Humans actually do regrow teeth, once. As babies, we grow 20 tiny teeth that eventually fall out, making room for 32 adult teeth. But after that second set, the factory shuts down forever. It's like your body forgot the password to its own tooth-making machine. Now here's where it gets strange. Sharks never have this problem. A single shark can grow tens of thousands of teeth over its lifetime. Lose one during lunch? No worries. Another slides into place like it's waiting in line. Meanwhile, we bite one popcorn kernel the wrong way and suddenly we're comparing dental insurance plans. So, why would evolution give sharks unlimited replacements but leave humans stuck with just one backup set? The answer is surprisingly simple. Sharks are constantly losing teeth because they're grabbing slippery fish, crushing shells, and occasionally biting things they probably shouldn't. Their survival depends on having fresh teeth ready to go. Humans, on the other hand, evolved a different strategy. Instead of replacing teeth forever, we evolved to protect the ones we have. Cooking food made meals softer. Tools helped us cut meat. Fire did half the chewing for us before the food even reached our mouths. Over thousands of years, constantly growing new teeth became less important. Evolution is a bit lazy. It only keeps features that are worth the energy. But it gets even weirder. The instructions to grow new teeth may not be completely gone. Scientists have discovered tiny groups of dormant cells and genes that seem to be leftovers from our ancient ancestors. It's almost as if our bodies still remember how to make another tooth. They just never press the start button. Think of it like having a game installed on your phone. But the icon has disappeared. The files are still there. You just can't launch them. And researchers are trying to change that. In laboratories, scientists have successfully grown tiny tooth structures using stem cells in animals. Some experimental treatments are even exploring ways to activate those hidden tooth-growing signals in humans. It's still early, but the idea that future generations might regrow lost teeth instead of getting implants is no longer science fiction. Imagine telling someone from 100 years ago that a missing tooth could simply grow back. They'd probably think you were joking, right before asking if you could also fix their back pain. So maybe the real question isn't why humans can't regrow teeth. It's whether we've been carrying the ability inside us all along, and simply forgot how to switch it back on. If that day finally comes, would you choose to grow a brand new natural tooth? Or would you still trust the dentist?